All right. This is the great American game called Not in My Backyard. So we got 2 teams of 4. One team of 4 is going to go down to that end. How about you guys go down to that end, and then Shana will join you. And Shana's laying out a whole bunch of stress balls that will come into play shortly. And then our second team of 4, you guys are going to be over here on this side. Awesome. The game's going to be about 2 minutes long, and it is chaotic, so I will warn you. So here's the objective. When we yell, "Not in my backyard," you may come forward and you may bat a ball with your hand, you may kick a ball, you can do anything you want to get the ball out of your yard into your opponent's yard. Your opponents are going to do the same thing, and balls are going to be flying back and forth and back and forth. Try not to hit anybody above the waist. Actually, try not to hit them below the waist either. That's not a good thing. Yeah, we did play dodgeball last week. So be nice to each other, but do your best. And then at the end, we'll count up the balls. No, we won't count up the balls. All right, get ready. Get set. Not in my backyard. Good. So you can bat them, you can kick them. You can pick up 2 or 3. Good. Nice, Will, that's it. Careful of your teammates as well. Good job, guys. So we're working coordination, agility, level changes, cardio, mental fortitude. Good. Whoa. That was a barrage. Less than a minute, about 45 seconds. Some balls are gonna get trapped, that's okay. It happens. Probably about 30 seconds. Whoa. Home stretch, you guys. Less than 20 seconds. Almost there. Whoa. All right. Woo! It looks like a tie. It's always a tie. Good work. You tired? Yeah, it should be. It's an exhausting game. All right. Thanks for joining us. Got any questions? Jot them down in the comments below. And we'll see you next time.